Yan yung papunta sa Circuit 2 Tower.
Hello Infinity, is Jocelyn and welcome to my channel. Today pag-usapan natin about Shenzhen Visa. I had my interview at Netherlands Embassy and I will share with you kung ano nangyari based on my own personal experience. Yung actually outfit, para mas maganda kung talaga mag-prepare ka when it comes to your outfit. So, kinabukasan, naka-business attire ako, naka-cream long sleeve, naka-black pants, naka-black shoes, and naka-black coat. Meron nga doon naka-hanging clothes, meron din naka-crocs, meron nga doon naka-beach attire para magsuswimming lang. So, you really have to be there, be the best that you can be. So, unang-una, it's an interview, so you have to look good. Ganon. Sinama ko ang mama ko, kapatid ko, pamangkin ko para maghawak sila ng aking gamit like yung mobile or CP, ganon. Pero pagdating ko sa loob, hindi pala bawal. I mean, pwede parang magdala ng cellphone or mobile, basta wag lang kumuha ng mga photo or mag-video sa loob. Kasi yun yung bawal. Netherlands Embassy is located at 6th floor, Makati Corporate Center, Tower 2, AP Reyes Street, Barangay Carmona, Theater Drive, Makati City, Philippines. If you're a first-timer, stay tuned ka Infinity. This video is for you. So before that, bago ka mabigyan ng schedule ng visa interview, dapat pasado ka na sa medical mo, yung PEME mo or kung magre-renew ka ng medical. And of course, dapat yung document mo validated na siya sa CTRAC. So dapat may allowance time kayo. Hindi porket 11:50 AM yung time nyo, 11 AM gigising kayo. Huwag ganon. Kasi you have to prepare. Ako 9 AM, nag-prepare na ako and then after that, gumayak na ako. And before 11 AM, I arrived there at Netherlands Embassy. Napakadami na ng tao simula nung umaga kasi dumating na yung mga kukuha ng mga iba't ibang Schengen visa or Europe visa. Kasi lahat ng Europe countries nandun lahat gaya ng Australia, New Zealand, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, Hungary, Lithuania, Poland, Switzerland at iba pa. So, pagdaan ko ng scanner, umakyat ako sa 6th floor. Paglabas ko ng elevator, turn right, meron dong staff or security na itatanong kung may appointment kayo that day. And nakita ko yung appointment ko. After that, pumunta na ako sa loob for the registration. Nag-good morning muna ako sa staff doon. And then, tinanong yung appointment ko and also anong company ako. Meron akong makakasabayan na company din, kaya pinagsama yung appointment letter namin at binigyan kami ng appointment or token number. And after that, punta kami sa waiting area. We waited for our number to be called. One by one yung pagpunta sa counter 37 to 39 kahit na same number kami ng binigay na token number. So, basic lang talaga yung questions. Ang tanong lang is kung anong ship ka or anong barko ka, kung ano yung position mo sa barko, or first time mo bang kumuha ng Shenzhen visa or kung mayroon ka bang Shenzhen visa na dati. So, okay na. Again, wait for your number to be called para sa payment na. Yung visa fee, ibibigay yun ng company sa yung personal account through wire transfer. So, magkano ang visa fee? It's 5,880 pesos. Pero dapat may dala ka na extra money para sa additional expenses gaya ng LBC. So, pwede mong pick upin or pwede mong ipa-LBC yung visa passport mo. Pero, magbabayad ka ng 480 pesos. So, it's your choice kung ano yung mode of delivery ang gusto mo. So, ang option ko is pina-LBC ko na lang. Anyways, nakakagulat lang kasi kung gusto mong ma-update through email or through text, meron ding bayad which is 180 pesos. Sa bagay, sa panahon ngayon, wala nang libre. Pera-pera na lang. Lastly, after payment, you need to wait for your number to be announced for biometric enrollment. So, sa door 9 to 12 ka kukuhanan ng biometric. Basic lang din yung question, yung name mo, birthday, and kukuhanan ka na ng fingerprints. Take note, kung meron kang hikaw or meron kang necklace, tatanggalin mo yun, and then after that, pwede mo na rin ibalik. So, that's it. Tapos na. Pwede ka nang umuwi and wait for your visa passport to be released. How long does it take to get a visa for Netherlands Embassy? So, nagpa-interview ako April 29, 2025. Nakalagay sa checklist is 7 to 10 days process. And then, I asked sa Netherlands Embassy, sabi naman, it's 30 days. Actually, processing times can vary. A standard Schengen visa application may take up to 15 calendar days and some may require up to 45 days due to consultation with other Schengen countries. So, na-receive ko yung visa passport ko nung May 15, 2025. So, 15 days siya. Visa validity. The visa will specify the period for which it is valid and you can travel freely within the Schengen area during that period. Rejection. Incomplete applications may be rejected and the visa is not refundable. Kagaya ng kasabayan ko, sa casino siya nagwo-work, meron siyang isang document na hindi na ipasa and hindi daw niya alam yun. So, my point is, bago kayo pumunta sa giyera, dapat ma-check nyo mabuti or i-gather nyo lahat ng mga documents na kailangan nyo or kailangan dun sa pupuntahan nyo bago kayo pumunta or sumabak sa giyera. Kasi sayang lang yung effort and time and lalo na yung fee na pinambayad nyo. And especially, yung pagod nyo. Diba? Tips to keep in mind when answering Schengen visa interview questions. Dapat calm, composed, and articulate. Breathe and stay relaxed. Give precise and comprehensive answers. One answer, one question. Ganon. Answer all questions truthfully to the best of your knowledge. Totoo lang ang isasagot mo. Kasi kung kasinungalingan, malalaman din yan. Smile and take every question positively. Understand that the interviewer is trying to see whether the information you provide is accurate by studying your responses. And then, of course, be honest and don't answer more than what is necessary. Stick to the point. Kaya pala may Schengen visa ako kasi para sa joining date ko sa Amsterdam. Pero na-extend yung vacation ko at 4 days before yung flight ko, napalitan yung LOE ko. Kaya ang joining date ko ngayon is papunta sa Norway. Just arrived here at Leonardo da Vinci International Airport. I hope I could help you in any way, Ka-Infinity. And if you do, please like, comment, and share sa ating kaibigan or family. At least nakatulong ka pa. And subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, Ka-Infinity, and bye!